Okay, hi everybody. This is Jacob. Hi, say hi, Jacob.
Hi.
And what are you about to do, Jacob?
Do the cinnamon challenge.
Alright, here's the cinnamon. Okay, Jacob, let me get you a spoonful here. Okay, you ready? Okay. Keep going. Finish it up. Finish it up. You gotta swallow it. Make sure you get it. Did you do it?
Right.
Okay. Okay. Finish it?
Yes.
Open your mouth. Let's see. Aha! How was it?
Good.
Was it real spicy? No, was it real hot?
A little bit.
It was a little spicy? You did it. Now, guess what you get because you won the challenge. What do you get?
Ice cream!
Alright, you want to drink you some milk? Okay. So what do you want to say? Anything to Uncle Mo?
You send it to the spelling kid.
Alright. Bye,
I did it, Uncle Mo and Auntie Carla.